Believe it or not, aluminum foil. Just crumpling up a small piece of aluminum foil, like this, can actually be incredibly effective at repelling cockroaches. It sounds hard to believe, but this is a simple trick. This is something a lot of people use successfully. Hello, it's great to see you again on the LifeKreativ. Cockroaches aren't just annoying. They also carry tons of dangerous bacteria and harmful pathogens into your home. If you're tired of seeing them come back again and again, don't go anywhere, because I'm about to show you what to do right now. Today, we're going to make a simple, low-cost, but surprisingly effective cockroach control method using things every household already has. Let's get started. First, we're going to need a bowl or a container to start mixing our ingredients. This mixture is what will make our trap work most effectively. First, add 4 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using regular white sugar. Sugar works as a strong bait, attracting cockroaches to the mixture and killing them without using toxic chemicals. This recipe is harmless to dogs and cats, so it's safe if you have pets at home. And yes, it's very, very effective. Once the sugar is in, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda causes a strong negative reaction in insects, including cockroaches and even some spiders. This recipe doesn't just kill cockroaches, it also helps reduce spiders. Add the baking soda and mix well. Many people have tried my baking soda recipes and gotten great results. You're probably already fed up with dealing with cockroaches. Mix everything until fully combined. Next, we'll use a lemon, only the peel, not the juice. Grate the lemon peel finely, avoiding the flesh to keep juice out. Lemon peels won't kill cockroaches, but they can scare them away and help stop them from coming back, thanks to the following reasons. Lemon peels contain essential oils like citral and limonene. Cockroaches really hate this smell, so they stay away from areas where lemon peels are present. The strong lemon smell covers up food odors, making it harder for cockroaches to find their way into the kitchen. The natural, fresh scent helps cover musty and greasy smells. It's not toxic like chemical sprays, so it's safe to use in the kitchen, cabinets, or around food. When you have enough lemon peel, drop the lemon peel into the bowl with the mix. Add about a tablespoon of lemon zest. We're only using the peel, something most people throw away. Mix everything again until fully combined. The final ingredient is toothpaste. Any brand works. Toothpaste to help kill cockroaches and destroy their eggs. Roaches are really sensitive to strong smells, especially mint, toothpaste, or the chemicals in toothpaste. The smell makes roaches uncomfortable, and they avoid the area. Adding toothpaste makes the mix of sugar, baking soda, and lemon peel stick well, so it doesn't get washed or blown away. This makes it easier for roaches to eat or come into contact with the mixture. Toothpaste contains silica, a fine powder. If roaches touch it a few times, it can disturb their protective layer, making them dry and uncomfortable. When cockroaches carry this mixture back to their nest, it destroys the eggs quickly. Mix thoroughly until smooth. Now we move on to aluminum foil. Take a piece about 10 by 10 centimeters. Foil helps trap the lemon oils, keeping the scent strong, which both attracts roaches and keeps them away from the spot. Baking soda and sugar can get damp or clumpy if left out in the open. Aluminum foil creates a protective layer, keeping the mixture dry and intact for longer. Place the mixture in the center. Cockroaches are attracted to foil. Wrap the foil tightly and seal it completely. You can tuck small foil packets into cracks under the cabinets or near the sink, where roaches like to hang out and they won't fall out. Poke small holes with a fork so cockroaches can access the bait. Poking small holes helps roaches get in contact with the mixture while keeping it neat and lasting longer. They carry the mixture back to their nest, killing both adults and eggs. Place the foil balls in cabinets, under the fridge, or near the stove. You'll see results as early as the next day. You'll notice the roaches are gone, works effectively, and sticks around. Since they won't even think about coming back to build a nest, the kitchen smells fresh and lemony and it feels cleaner. Here's another super simple way. You can boost the effect with diluted lemon juice. Lemon juice disinfects, deodorizes, and repels cockroaches naturally. Because lemon juice has citric acid and natural oils, it helps keep roaches away and also gently kills bacteria. Just cut the lemon in two and squeeze out the juice. It works to chase off roaches, get rid of smells, and lightly disinfect at the same time. It's a safe and natural way to do it without any toxic chemicals. Mix 200 to 300 milliliters of warm water with the lemon juice. Warm water helps the lemon scent spread better and makes it easier to spray everywhere. Mix it all together thoroughly. Pour into a spray bottle. Add salt if you want extra strength. Spray it all over to chase roaches, freshen up smells, and clean surfaces. No harsh chemicals needed. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Thank you. Spray areas where cockroaches appear: cabinets, sink, fridge, and corners. Spray it even on places that have bad odors. The lemon scent keeps them away and freshens the space. Lemon juice not only neutralizes bad smells, but also masks them with a natural, fresh scent, making your kitchen, bathroom, or trash bins smell much nicer. It doesn't have harsh chemicals like industrial cleaners, so it's safe for kids, pets, and food. When you wipe with a cloth and lemon juice, the friction plus the acid helps remove dirt and bacteria more effectively. Lemon juice helps kill and slow down bacteria and mild mold while naturally and safely cleaning surfaces. Spray 2 to 3 times a week. This method is safe, effective, and perfect for homes with children. I hope you'll try this and see the results yourself. Come back and share your experience in the comments. Thank you, my dear friends. See you next time.